How can Chinese private enterprises transition from world factory to world marketplace? Breaking through in brand globalization. 1. The importance of the private economy. 80% of employment, and accounts for about 90% of all enterprises, making it a cornerstone of China's high-quality development. 2. Challenges and opportunities in stepping out of the comfort zone. Challenges: transitioning from low-cost manufacturing to technological innovation requires substantial investment and involves high risks. Expanding from domestic to global markets brings challenges like cultural differences, regulatory hurdles, and fragmented emerging markets. Opportunities: breakthroughs in 5 grams, AI, and new energy enhance competitiveness. The rise of the digital economy and cross-border e-commerce makes global consumer access easier. Growing cultural confidence provides a rich foundation for global brand building. 3. Brand building as a strategic borough. A strong brand reflects both national strength and corporate competitiveness. Leading Chinese companies like Tencent, TikTok, and Huawei have enhanced their global value through innovation and branding. Tea brands like Mixu Ice Cream and Tea have succeeded overseas through localized product strategies. 4. 3 core strengths of private enterprises. Strong market awareness. Private entrepreneurs possess keen market insight and adaptability. Technological innovation. Companies like DJI, Cattle, and Xiaomi lead globally in their sectors. Cultural confidence. Products like Black Myth, Wukong exemplify how Chinese cultural narratives are going global. 5. 4 key dimensions for global branding. Philosophical level. Uphold integrity and pursue innovation. Industrial level. Advance high-end, intelligent, and green development. Market level. Embrace globalizations and leverage strategies like the Belt and Road Initiative. Operational level. Ensure compliance with international laws and standards. 6. Strategic pathways for future globalization. Build a global user ecosystem. Center on consumers and enhance user engagement worldwide. Strengthen technological and supply chain capabilities. Increase resilience and global competitiveness. Enhance cultural influence. Combine local culture with innovative global storytelling. Adapt to digital regulatory environments. Develop robust compliance systems to ensure sustainable global growth. Conclusion: Chinese private industries are shifting from manufacturing exports to brand exports and from cost-based competition to value-based competition in the future. Only those companies that can integrate technology, culture, compliance, and globalization will truly establish themselves on the world stage and become trusted Chinese brands in the minds of global consumers.